right, happy Saturday, everybody. Hope your day is going well. It is a bit of a cloudy start to our day out there. Seeing a little bit of rain as well, and we're going to continue to see that this weekend, and that could mean one big thing, and that is molds could continue to go up there. So right now at a medium level for today, grass at a light level, and as we head throughout the next couple of days, we may see molds climb a little bit more. So let's take a look across South Texas. Taking a look out across northwest San Antonio, right now 70 degrees. You see a lot of cloud cover, 74 at the San Antonio airport. Lots of cloud cover again. They had rain there earlier on, not too messy anymore there at the airport, but Calaveras Lake still seeing some shower activity out there. See a few people saying hello. Hello to all of you. I hope you're doing well. Juniper wants to know, having a party at 6 p.m., is it going to be safe? Yeah, Juniper, nothing severe, I'm not thinking. Maybe a few brief showers this afternoon, though. That could impact the party. Just make sure you have a way to move everything under cover if a shower does move over. I think that the rain chances may be a little bit lower there around 6 p.m., though. We're going to be taking a look at that. Vince says howdy. Howdy to you as well. Fuentes says San Antonio is not South Texas, but it is. That's the thing. We are part of South Texas. We may not be the southern tip like the Rio Grande Valley, but this is South and Central Texas. Misty says hello from New Braunfels. Hello to you. I hope you're doing well today. So let's take a look at the radar. Seeing that shower activity continue to move off to the north-northwest. You see showers stretching up into Austin. Some of the heavier showers are out over the coastal plains down towards Floresville, Carson City, Cuero, seeing some shower activity. And you'll notice that there's a bunch of rotation with this as it's moving off to the north and northwest. This is actually that tropical disturbance that was over the Gulf of Mexico just yesterday. It had a medium chance for tropical development, but it moved over land before it could develop into anything. So no big issues from this other than the fact that it's going to bring us some rainfall. Right now, the center of the system pretty much right over northwestern Comal County, about to cross over US 281 and then continue its way closer on towards San Angelo. So looking down to the southeast, you'll notice that there is more shower activity stretching even well down towards the Yucatan Peninsula. All this is going to continue to move off towards the north and west, and that's why we have more chances for rain, not just for today, but into tomorrow as well. So let's look at the timeline here, or actually before we do that, I wanted to point this out. Subtropical storm Ana has formed in the Atlantic. This is our first named storm of 2021. Of course, the official start of hurricane season doesn't begin until June 1st, but it's not uncommon for us to have a named storm before the season even gets started. Ana is right now northeast of Bermuda and is expected to stay that way, moving west at 3 miles per hour, but it will turn to the northeast here over the next few hours and then take off and move away from land. So not expected to impact land, just expected to be what we like to call a fish storm. In other words, just dizzying up the fish out there in the Atlantic. Misty wants to know how San Marcos is going to be. My son has football. Could be a few brief showers possible there in San Marcos. Grace wants to know, is heavy rain going to lead to flooding? And the answer is maybe in isolated spots, but we're not talking about a widespread issue with flooding. Jenny's saying rain in southern Atascosa County, but no big deal. Yeah, not supposed to be a big deal today, just a little bit of rain. And got inhaler for mold. Yeah, Jenny, that mold could bother some allergies for a few people. Grace wanting to know if we're expecting any severe storms today through Wednesday, next week in San Antonio. Grace, I'm not seeing too much of a concern with severe weather. Mary wants to know, is it going to rain in Corpus Christi? Have family there, just wondering if it's going to be bad. No, Mary, nothing bad, but they are going to be dealing with some showers and storms. So let me continue to scroll through here. We've had a lot of questions and people commenting, raining in Windcrest right now from Tom. Thank you, Tom, for that report. Grace wants to know, will the rotation come back from the north or continue north? Grace, it will continue off toward the north. So a lot of questions just answered there. Let's go ahead and bump it back into the forecast. Right now, this is what we're seeing, 70s and 80s across South Texas. Dew point's way up there too. Remember, this is a tropical air mass, so a very soupy air mass outside. If you walk outside, it feels like you could close your eyes and you'd be on the beach. That's what we're dealing with right now. And I actually just skipped ahead in my graphics. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Dew points right now again in the 70s, so very tropical outside. Future clouds and radar shows that system again moving off to the northwest throughout the day by 5 p.m. Still seeing some shower activity, maybe up towards San Marcos. We had the question about a party being outside today. Notice what happens as we get closer on towards 6 o'clock when that party is being held. Maybe a few brief showers, but then things quiet down soon after that. This is 7 o'clock right here. And then 8, 9. I'm expecting really just about a slight chance for a few brief showers overnight. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, though, shower activity will have developed again, especially off towards the coastal plains. And those showers are going to drift off towards the northwest. We're going to get more shower activity throughout the day on Sunday, approaching that I-35 corridor. But areas west of I-35 are going to have a lower chance for rain on Sunday compared to what they have today. By the way, temperatures only capping off at about 80 degrees on Sunday, and then Monday, a little bit of shower activity there, but much lower rain chances compared to today and tomorrow. Same thing with Tuesday, just about a 30% chance for showers and storms. And then for Wednesday through Friday, we're going to see rain chances go away completely. That trough over the western half of the United States just kind of weakens, and then we end up with a ridge over the central part, right here over South Texas. And when we talk about a ridge over the central part of the United States in summertime, in May, we're talking heat and drier conditions. And you're going to see that in the 7-day forecast here in just a moment. Seeing if there's any more questions coming in. Not really seeing any. Having a birthday party this afternoon at 5. Grace could be dealing with a brief shower or two, but nothing too messy out there. Not going to slow you down too much. Is it going to rain in the Marion area? Yes, TJ, there's a chance for a few brief showers. Remember, the rain chance isn't at 100%, so it could miss you, but it is possible. Jana is saying any rain going to happen in Lake Hills, and again, it is possible this afternoon. I think that the higher rain chances, though, will stay east of you. The further you are into the coastal plains region or east of I-35, the better your chance for rain. So, I see the summer comes back, Samantha's saying. Yes, it's going to be more summer-like here by the time we head into the end of next week. So, drought monitor, again, this last Thursday it updated. It looks great. Big improvements. We're going to see even more improvements by the time we head into this next week. The drought monitor is going to show even more because we have a ton of rainfall. About 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch from the Rio Grande up towards parts of the hill country. Much of the hill country, though, will have about 1/2 of an inch to 1 inch of rainfall. And where you're seeing those purples, that's where we could get 1 inch to 2, maybe even up to 3 inches of rain over the next 7 days. And all of our rain chances stem from today through Tuesday. So from now through Tuesday, and a bulk of it falling in the next 48 hours. So that's a ton of rainfall. Should continue to help the drought, should continue to help the aquifer level. Right now it's 666.1 feet. It's up 1/10 of a foot in the last 24 hours. And I imagine we just continue to see improvement. Let's see here. Planning an outdoor event at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Is it a good idea? Kenneth wants to know. Make sure you have a way to move it inside. I think you are going to have the chance for showers, but the higher chance will be east of I-35. But you are going to have that chance for rain at 10 a.m., Kenneth. How's New Braunfels looking at 3? We have a chance for a few showers to be moving through New Braunfels, Olivia. Maybe not right at 3 o'clock, but around that time frame, I'm willing to bet we see a brief shower or two move through there. Oh, Joanne says, I hate summer here in San Antonio. I'm sorry, Joanne. We're moving into it now. The heat is coming. Thankfully, though, we're also still in one of our wetter times of the year. We need this rainfall. 2.78 right now for the month in San Antonio. We should see that go up a little bit more over the next few days. Let's hope that we can get it above the average, so we finish up this month above average. You notice the rain chances, 50% chance today, 50% chance for showers and storms tomorrow. Not really seeing anything severe, just some good, healthy rain. 30% chances in for Monday and Tuesday, and the temperatures continue to climb with Friday bringing 90 degrees. Going to be hot there. Hotter conditions really going to be moving in, I think, even beyond the 7-day forecast. We'll see that in just a moment. Notice around average rainfall here from day 8 through day 14. And this is kind of interesting here. The next 8 to 14 days, trying to pick up with the temperature outlook cooler than average conditions. that may be trying to show that, because we could see some more rain when that ridge is setting up, the side of the ridge we're on. We may get some more rain in, but this may flip over the next couple of days. We may end up seeing warmer than average conditions if we miss out on the rainfall. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. But right now it's showing cooler over the next 8 to 14 days. We'll have to see what happens there, though. Of course, average for this time of year would be the upper 80s. So, seeing 90 degrees for Friday, that's actually around average. That's actually not too out of the norm. Let's look at the Lone Star 3-day forecast. You notice that 98 for El Paso, going to be hot there for the next 3 days. And you see a lot of us dealing with better chances for showers and storms the next 3 days. Taking a look at the Texas State Park forecast for tomorrow. Going to be a wet day, not the best day for the state parks for hiking. But, of course, that's going to rejuvenate all the waterfalls and replenish them, rather. And we're going to see beautiful hiking conditions, I'm sure, by the time we head into the end of next week and into next weekend. So, guys, I'm going to bounce it back up on the 7-day forecast. I don't see many other questions coming in here. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember that we are going to have the chances for rain throughout today. Scattered showers, nothing severe out there, but a few brief showers and storms are going to be possible over the next 2 days. A little bit drier for Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday through Friday, much drier with temperatures climbing up to around 90 degrees, which, again, is around average. You see that average in the top right corner of your screen at 88, so not too far off the norm from there as we head into next Friday, but the heat's going to make a return, so just be ready for that. Enjoy the cooler weather we have the next couple of days, and I hope you have a wonderful Saturday.